Welcome to Mount Airy City Schools Schoology Parent Tutorial. In order to access Schoology, to see your child's class materials, updates, and to communicate with teachers, you will need to go to Schoology.com. Once on Schoology.com, you will select Sign Up as a Parent. Your child's teacher will provide you with an access code. When you sign up as a parent, you will enter this access code, then click Continue. You will need to fill in some information in order to create your account. Please consider using an email address that you check on a regular basis. Once you've created an account, you will need to sign into Schoology at Schoology.com or using the Schoology app for Android or iOS in order to access your child's information. You'll use the email and password that you used to create the account initially. Once you're in Schoology, your parent portal will look something like this. Clicking on Recent Activity will bring you to updates from the district that you may have also seen on Facebook, Twitter, or our other social media platforms. The letter envelope at the top of the page is the messaging app. You can use this to send messages to your child's teacher. When you click on your name in the top right-hand corner, you'll have the opportunity to adjust your settings. When you go to Settings, you can adjust your notifications. In this platform, you will be able to determine which notifications you want to get via email or text message. You may choose to have course updates sent to you via email. This is the way that teachers give their weekly memos or daily updates to students, and you would be able to access these both through Schoology and via an email. You might also consider adding the course materials overdue notification in case your child falls behind on work and you'd like to be updated. Adding text message notifications is another option in Schoology. If you navigate back to the top right-hand corner where your name is, you can click on the arrow and then click on your children. When you click on your individual children, you will be able to see information about their courses. You can add more children to your Schoology parent account by clicking the plus sign next to Add Child and adding each individual child's access code that they received from their teacher. Once you're in the child view by clicking on your child, you'll get a blue bar across the top that will say, you are viewing as and your child's name. This will give you the view that your child sees during the school day when they access Schoology. You can click on courses to click on each of their classes or subject areas for school, where you'll be able to see updates and materials, which will include assignments and other important information. You'll also be able to access the grade report and grades for each course from the student platform.